Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cozy Space Living. I'm Cora, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into some elegant fall decor tips specifically tailored for apartment kitchens and dining areas. As the leaves turn and the air becomes crisp, it's the perfect time to refresh our spaces with warm, inviting touches that celebrate the beauty of the season. Whether you have a small kitchen nook or a spacious dining area, I've got some fabulous ideas that will inspire you to create a cozy autumn atmosphere. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more interior design inspiration, and hit that like button if you enjoy today's video. Let's get started. When it comes to fall decor, embracing warm color palettes is a must. Think rich oranges, deep reds, and earthy browns. These colors not only evoke the essence of autumn but also create a welcoming atmosphere in your kitchen and dining areas. You can incorporate these hues through table linens, dishware, and decorative accents. For instance, consider swapping out your everyday tablecloth for a rust-colored one or layering with a patterned runner that features autumn leaves. You can also introduce pops of color through seasonal plates or bowls that highlight the rich tones of fall. Don't forget about the power of art. Framed prints or wall decor in warm colors can set the mood and tie your entire space together, making it feel inviting and seasonal. Nature offers an abundance of inspiration for fall decor, and bringing natural elements into your kitchen and dining area can create a serene, earthy vibe. Think about incorporating items like pine cones, acorns, and seasonal foliage. A simple centerpiece can be made by filling a clear glass vase with these natural treasures. You can also create a rustic display with a wooden bowl filled with mini pumpkins or gourds. Don't shy away from using fresh flowers either. Sunflowers and dahlias are perfect for this time of year and add a lovely touch of color and fragrance. For an even cozier feel, consider adding some potted herbs or small plants that not only beautify your space but can also be used in your fall cooking. As we approach the holiday season, it's essential to elevate your dining table settings for any gatherings you may host. An elegant table setting can transform your dining area into a sophisticated space perfect for entertaining. Start with a beautiful tablecloth or a collection of textured placemats that resonate with the fall season. Layer your plates with contrasting colors and add charming napkins, perhaps tied with twine or ribbon for a rustic touch. Don't forget to incorporate candlelight. Elegant candlesticks or votive holders can create a warm glow that invites conversation and connection. Finally, consider adding personalized place cards for a thoughtful touch that will make your guests feel special. A stunning centerpiece is a focal point for your dining table and a perfect way to celebrate the fall season. You can create a seasonal centerpiece using a mix of elements like flowers, candles, and decorative pumpkins. For example, start with a low bowl filled with seasonal fruits such as apples or pears, and surround them with smaller candles for a soft, ambient glow. Alternatively, you could opt for a tall vase filled with vibrant fall flowers like chrysanthemums or dahlias. The key is to keep your centerpiece balanced and not too tall, so it doesn't obstruct conversation. You can also switch things up by using a wooden tray as a base, arranging your fall decor elements in a way that is visually appealing and inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your apartment kitchen and dining areas. As the days get shorter, consider incorporating soft, warm lighting to create a cozy ambience. String lights can add a whimsical touch to your kitchen, while elegant pendant lights can serve as beautiful focal points in your dining area. If you have open shelving, think about placing battery-operated tea lights on the shelves to illuminate your favorite cookbooks or decorative items. Additionally, consider using dimmer switches if possible, allowing you to adjust the lighting based on the time of day or the occasion. Remember, the goal is to create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and enjoyment during your fall gatherings. Incorporating textured fabrics is an excellent way to bring a sense of coziness to your kitchen and dining areas. Fall is the perfect time to swap out lightweight materials for richer, more tactile options. Consider adding soft throws or knitted blankets draped over dining chairs or the backs of kitchen stools for a welcoming touch. You can also introduce textured pillows in warm, autumn colors to your dining area. Additionally, think about using fabrics with patterns, like plaid or herringbone, for table runners or chair covers to enhance the seasonal feel. These small changes can make a big impact, providing comfort and warmth that invite you and your guests to linger a little longer. Scent is an often overlooked aspect of decor, but it can significantly enhance the fall atmosphere in your apartment. Consider adding scented candles or diffusers with fragrances that remind you of autumn. Think cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or crisp apple. A simmer pot on the stove with water, cloves, and orange peels can fill your space with a delightful aroma while you cook. You might even consider baking something seasonal, like apple pie or pumpkin bread, as the scent of fresh baking can create a warm, inviting environment. Don't underestimate the power of scent in transforming your home and making your kitchen and dining areas feel more inviting. Fall is a time for gathering with family and friends, so why not incorporate personal touches and family traditions into your decor? You can display cherished family photos in beautiful frames that resonate with the season or create a dedicated space for showcasing seasonal crafts made by your children or friends. Incorporating heirloom pieces or handmade items can add depth and history to your decor. For example, consider using a family recipe book as a centerpiece on your dining table. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also invites conversation and connection. The goal is to create a space that reflects your unique style and the warmth of your loved ones. Thank you so much for joining me today on Cozy Space Living. I hope you found these elegant fall decor tips for your apartment kitchens and dining areas helpful and inspiring. As we embrace the beauty of the season, remember that creating a cozy atmosphere is all about the details, from warm color palettes to natural elements and personal touches. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment down below sharing your favorite fall decor ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior inspiration, and hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your home be filled with warmth and joy this fall.